Hello, today I'm going to discuss hyperlinks in Microsoft Excel and how to quickly remove them. And the second tip I'm going to show you is how when you type in a hyperlink, www.microsoft.com, it does not show up as a hyperlink. So let's go ahead and take issue one, is when you're copying and pasting. I'm on a website, list of countries, start with the letter A. I'm going to highlight them. They'll have hyperlinks behind them. Control C, copy, and I'm going to just paste them. So if you have hyperlinks in your Excel file, just simply highlight column B, and at the bottom is remove hyperlinks, and they're gone. I'm going to do an undo. I'm going to put them in somewhere else and one other place. Act like they're not all countries now, but they're different hyperlinks. If you want to remove them all, right above row 1 to the left of column A is select all, right click, remove hyperlinks. They're all gone. Let me get rid of this right here. Tip number 2 is if you're in Excel typing in web addresses, it automatically formats them with a hyperlink, as you can see right here. I don't want it to do that. You can come in Excel and go to File and go down to Options, Proofing over to the left, Auto Correct Options. The second tab is Auto Format as you type. Turn off that very first checkbox about Internet and Network Paths. Click OK. Click OK. No more hyperlinks when you type out URLs. And one last tip, let's say that you didn't create the Excel file, but you're working on it, and you need to keep the hyperlinks. When you mouse over one, you get the hyperlink icon finger. Here's the trick, just left click and hold down. If you wait just 1 to 2 seconds, it'll let you select. I'm going to do it again. I've got the hyperlink, I'm left clicking, I'm holding down, and there it goes. It changes to the selection mouse pointer. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of new videos coming up in 2019. Thank you for your time.